Walking to the farm today, see a cow along the way. Can you sing like me? Moo, moo, moo so loud. And can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing like me? Flip, flip, bop, you meant watching. Pink pig rolling in the mud, making sounds that go thud, thud. Can you sing like me? Oink, 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 come play with me. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing like me? Flip, flip, bop, you meant watching. Red hen pecking at the ground, listen to her happy sound. Can you sing like me? Cluck, 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 so wild and free. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing like me? Sing, cluck, cluck, I'm Fluffy. Fluffy sheep upon the hill, singing songs so soft and still. Can you sing like me? Ba, 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 such harmony. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing like me? Sing, cluck, cluck, I'm Fluffy. All the animals join in now, pig and hen and sheep and cow. Can you sing like me? Moo, oink, cluck, ba, naturally. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing like me? Can you sing? Can you sing? Is sing Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, ba, black sheep, what a busy day. Clippity clop, the wool soft as clouds of gray. 1 for my jumper, 1 for my hat, warm and cozy clothes, imagine that. Ba, ba, black sheep, thank you very much. Sharing is kindness, a gift we all can touch. 1 bag for sister, 1 bag for brother, and lots of fish sailed in loved another. Down on the farm where the green grass grows, lives a cow that goes moo, moo, moo. Big brown eyes and a swishy tail, she munches hay from a wooden pail. Moo, moo here, moo, moo there, cows are mooing everywhere. Down on the farm by the little blue shed, lives a sheep with a woolly head. Soft and white and bouncing free, she sings her song. Ba, 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 ba here, ba, ba there, sheep are playing everywhere. Down on the farm in the morning light, the pig rolls round, oh what a sight. Covered in mud he oinks with glee. Oink, 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 so happily. Oink, oink here, oink, oink there, pigs are snorting everywhere. Down on the farm by the old red gate, the duck waddles by, she's never late. Flapping wings and a quacky beat, quack, quack, quack with her webbed feet. Quack, oink here, quack, quack there, ducks are waddling everywhere. Down on the farm let hoe we beak, the duck par 4 sees a never leak. Cat and knees at a cacket peep, we dock glad bike liz and wonder and eat. Down on the farm let's clap and play with all the animals every day. Cows and sheep and pigs and ducks, sing along and wish them luck. Moo, ba, oink and quack, let's sing the farm song back to back. Come to the farm, come to the farm. Animals big and small, big and small. Say hello, hello. What do they say? What do they say? Cow says moo, 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 moo. Milk for you, milk for you. Big brown cow says moo now. Moo. What do they say? What do they say? Sheep says ba, 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 ba. Soft and white, soft and white. Fluffy sheep says ba, sweet. Ba. What do they say? What do they say? Duck says quack, 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 quack. In the pond, yellow duck says quack, luck, quack. What do they say? What do they say? Pig says egg, 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 egg. Eat now, Hat do day says egg, big, egg. What do they say? What do they say? All together, see the play, move our hat and hit away, They say, what do they say? Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm they clucked all day, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm they scratched the ground, E-I-E-I-O. With a scratch, scratch here and a scratch, scratch there, here a scratch, there a scratch, everywhere a scratch, scratch. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm they flapped their wings, E-I-E-I-O. With a flap, flap here and a flap, flap there, here a flap, there a flap, everywhere a flap, flap. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm they laid some eggs, E-I-E-I-O. With a crack, crack here and a peep, peep there, here a chirp, there a cheep, everywhere a peep, peep. Old MacDonald had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Close your eyes, little cow, in the meadow safe somehow. Stars are watching from above, wrapped in warmth and gentle love. Rest now, all is well. Sleep deep, till morning bell. Pink piglet in your pen, tomorrow comes but not till then. Moonbeams dancing on your back, peaceful slumber on your track. Rest now, all is well. Sleep deep, till morning bell. Woolly sheep so soft and white, counting clouds throughout the night. Rest now, all is well. sleep deep till morning bell. Faithful horse in stable warm, safe from any passing storm. Dreams of fields where you can run, wait for morning's golden sun. Rest now, all is well. Sleep deep till morning bell. Little duck beside the pond, of you I'm growing very fond. Feathers tucked beneath your wing, soon the dawn will make birds sing. Rest now, all is well. Sleep deep, far friend, sleep deep till morning bell. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba white sheep, skipping in the sun, laughing with the daisies, having so much fun. Wool so fluffy, soft as a cloud, singing little songs, happy and loud. Baba sheep so woolly and bright, playing in the meadow from morning till night, with a hop and a skip and a jolly. Baba, they dance in the fields, tra-la-la-la. Baba brown sheep, where do you roam? Over the hilltops far from home, carrying wool in a tiny cart, to warm little jackets with a loving heart. Sheep in the morning, sheep in the noon, bouncing around fields humming tune. Sheep in the evening, ready for bed, stars up above, dreams in their head. Baba sheep so woolly and bright, playing in the meadow from morning till night, with a hop and a skip and a jolly. Baba, they dance in the fields, tra-la-la-la. Baba sleepy sheep, snuggled so tight. Good night, little woolly, sleep through the night. Close your eyes and dream away. Tomorrow we'll jump and laugh and play. Baba white sheep, fluffy and bright, skipping through the meadow morning to night. Soft little hooves and a woolly coat, singing your song with a happy note. Baba white sheep, where do you play? Over the hills and far away, under the rainbow in the warm sun, leaping and laughing, having such fun. Baba white sheep, what do you eat? Juicy green grass and flowers so sweet, apples from trees and daisies too, all the colors, red, pink, and blue. Baba white sheep, fluffy and bright, skipping through the meadow morning to night. Soft little hooves and a woolly coat, singing your song with a happy note. Baba white sheep, do you have wool? Yes sir, bags that are full. Warm for the winter, soft for a bed, wool for a hat and a coat that's red. Baba white sheep, do you have friends? Yes sir, joy never ends. A horse in the stable, a cow so sweet, A duck by the pond and a lamb to greet. Bow, bow, white sheep, fluffy and bright, skipping through the meadow, morning to night. Soft little hooves and a woolly coat, singing your song with a happy note. Bow, white, sing once more. Tell us your tale from field to shore. Kindness and sharing, that's your way. Spreading some love each and every day. Bob White sheep, wave us goodbye. Under the stars, the moonlit sky. Close your eyes now, go to sleep. Sweet little dreams, dear white sheep.